Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, a special treat, we're taking a trip down memory lane to check out the coolest cars from the year you were born, or maybe not, and panning from 1945 to 1995. From rugged off-roaders to sleek sports cars, we're covering the icons that defined automotive history. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. All right, let's kick things off with 1945. The year World War II finally ended. And what better way to celebrate than with the vehicle that helped win it? I'm talking about the Willys Jeep, a true American icon. Now, this wasn't your typical flashy car. It was bare bones, rugged, and built for one purpose, conquering any terrain. But that's what made it so cool. The Willys Jeep represented resilience, adventure, and the freedom to go anywhere. Plus, its simple, functional design became the blueprint for SUVs for decades to come. Think about it. Almost every SUV on the road today owes a nod to the Willys Jeep. Not bad for a vehicle designed for war, right? Let's rewind the clock to 1950, a time when Europe was rebuilding after the war, and a little car with a big heart was about to capture the world's attention. I'm talking about the Volkswagen Beetle, affectionately known as the Bug. Now, this wasn't your typical flashy car. It was small, quirky, and decidedly unflashy. But that was precisely its charm. The Beetle was designed to be affordable, reliable, and easy to maintain, a car for the people. And boy, did it deliver. Its simple, air-cooled engine and robust construction made it surprisingly durable, and its unique shape became instantly recognizable worldwide. The Beetle became a symbol of peace, love, and a little bit of counterculture cool. Now, fast forward a decade to 1955. The post-war era was in full swing, and America was booming. The economy was thriving, and people were looking for ways to enjoy their newfound prosperity. Elvis was on the radio, his voice capturing the hearts of millions and defining a generation. Poodle skirts were all the rage, symbolizing the youthful exuberance and vibrant culture of the time. And the Chevrolet Bel Air ruled the road, becoming an icon of automotive design and engineering. This was the era of chrome, fins, and big, bold design. Cars were not just a means of transportation, they were a statement, and the Bel Air embodied it perfectly, with its sleek lines and stylish details that turned heads wherever it went. It was sleek, stylish, and screamed Americana. Driving a Bel Air was like driving a piece of the American dream. But the Bel Air wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, it packed a punch. It was also one of the first cars to offer a V8 engine, providing power and performance that was ahead of its time. Making it surprisingly powerful for its time, the Bel Air could easily keep up with the demands of the open road. This combination of style and substance made it the ultimate symbol of success and the American dream. It was more than just a car, it was a status symbol. Owning a Bel Air meant you'd made it. It was a testament to your hard work and success. You were living the good life, enjoying the fruits of your labor with family and friends. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to cruise down a sunny California highway in one of these beauties? The wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and the open road ahead. It was the epitome of freedom and adventure. Buckle up, design enthusiasts, because we're about to enter 1960, the year Jaguar unleashed a masterpiece, the E-Type. This wasn't just a car, it was a sculpture on wheels. Even Enzo Ferrari himself, a man not easily impressed, called it the most beautiful car ever made. And honestly, it's hard to disagree. With its long, flowing hood, short rear deck, and those iconic covered headlights, the E-Type was the epitome of automotive elegance. But it wasn't just about looks. The E-Type was also a technological marvel, with its advanced independent suspension and powerful six-cylinder engine. It was a true driver's car, offering a thrilling combination of performance and beauty. Let's shift gears now to 1965, a year that changed the automotive landscape forever. It was a time of cultural shifts and technological advancements, and the automotive world was no exception. With the arrival of the Ford Mustang, the industry saw a seismic shift. This wasn't just a new car, it was a cultural phenomenon that captured the imagination of the public. The Mustang was designed to be affordable, sporty, and customizable, appealing to a younger generation hungry for something cool and exciting. It offered a sense of freedom and adventure that resonated deeply with the youth of the era, and boy, did it deliver. The Mustang quickly became a symbol of youthful exuberance and rebellion. With its long hood, short deck, and powerful engine options, the Mustang ignited the muscle car era and sparked a wave of imitators. Competitors scrambled to create their own versions, but the Mustang remained the benchmark. But the Mustang wasn't just about raw power. It was also designed with practicality in mind, offering a comfortable interior and a smooth ride. It was also surprisingly affordable, making it accessible to a wider audience. This affordability meant that more people could experience the thrill of driving a Mustang. This combination of performance and attainability made it an instant icon, and its legacy continues to this day. The Mustang's influence can still be seen in modern car designs, proving that its impact on the automotive world is truly timeless. Hold on tight, because we're about to blast into 1970, the year Dodge unleashed a beast, the Challenger. This was the golden age of muscle cars, and the Challenger was ready to rumble. With its aggressive styling, powerful engine options, and a wide array of customization choices, the Challenger was a dream come true for anyone who craved tire-smoking power and head-turning looks. Whether you opted for the iconic shaker hood, a bright paint job, or a thumping V8, the Challenger made a statement wherever it went. 1975, the BMW 3 Series, the birth of a legend. Now let's jump to 1975, a year that saw the debut of a car that would go on to define the compact executive segment, the BMW 3 Series. This car was not just another vehicle, it was a statement, a revolution in the automotive world. This was a time when fuel efficiency and practicality were becoming increasingly important, but that didn't mean drivers had to sacrifice performance or style. The oil crisis of the early 70s had made consumers more conscious of fuel consumption, yet the desire for a thrilling driving experience remained strong. The 3 Series offered the best of both worlds. It combined the practicality needed for everyday use with the performance that driving enthusiasts craved. It was a car that could handle the daily commute with ease and still provide an exhilarating drive on the weekends. It was small, nimble, and fun to drive thanks to its rear-wheel drive layout and peppy engines. The engineering behind the 3 Series was focused on delivering a dynamic driving experience, making it a joy to maneuver through tight city streets and winding country roads alike. But it was also well-built, refined, and surprisingly spacious for its size. The interior was designed with both comfort and functionality in mind, offering a level of quality that was rare in its class at the time. The attention to detail in the build quality set new standards for what a compact executive car could be. The 3 Series quickly became the benchmark for its class, and its influence can still be felt today. Over the decades, it has evolved, but the core principles of performance, practicality, and quality have remained. The legacy of the 1975 BMW 3 Series lives on in every new model that rolls off the production line. 1980. The DeLorean DMC-12. Back to the future and beyond. Get ready to travel through time because we're arriving in 1980, the year the DeLorean DMC-12 hit the scene. This wasn't just a car, it was a time machine on wheels. With its futuristic stainless steel body, gull-wing doors, and unconventional design, the DeLorean was like nothing else on the road. Sure, it wasn't the fastest or most practical car, but it had an undeniable coolness factor. And then came Back to the Future. The movie transformed the DeLorean from a quirky curiosity into a full-blown pop culture icon. Suddenly, everyone wanted to travel through time in style. 1985. The Ferrari Testarossa, the poster child of 1980s excess. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading into the era of big hair, shoulder pads, and, of course, outrageous cars. It's 1985, and the Ferrari Testarossa is the hottest car on the planet. This was Ferrari at its most flamboyant. With its wide, wedge-shaped body, side strakes, and pop-up headlights, the Testarossa was pure 80s extravagance. It was the car to be seen in, the ultimate status symbol. And let's not forget that engine, a glorious, naturally aspirated flat 12 that sounded like nothing else on the road. The Testarossa was a rolling embodiment of 80s excess, and it remains an icon of the decade. 1995, the Toyota Supra, from humble beginnings to cult classic. Now let's wrap things up with 1995, the year a certain Japanese sports car cemented its place in automotive history. The Toyota Supra. This wasn't just another fast car, it was a legend in the making. The Supra's sleek, aerodynamic design and powerful turbocharged engine made it a force to be reckoned with on the street and the track. But it was the Supra's starring role in the Fast and the Furious franchise that catapulted it to cult status. Suddenly everyone wanted a piece of the action. The Supra became synonymous with speed, style, and a touch of rebellion. And there you have it, folks. The coolest cars from the year you were born. From rugged off-roaders to sleek sports cars, these automotive icons defined their eras and left a lasting legacy. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Until next time, keep cruising.